Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I'm here with a little flip through. So please join me with your coffee. I've got my coffee here this morning and I thought I'd share this because this is Edith Holden, of course. As you can probably already see, if you know Edith Holden, you recognize it at first glance. And I have, the regular Diary of a Country Woman or whatever it is, the other one that everyone cuts up. I have a couple of those, but I wanted to see what this one was all about. And I think I saw a little bit of somebody opening one and showing it on YouTube, but not the whole, thing. So I did that when I first got my other Edith Holden book. I have a video on my channel where you can see every page. And why I did it is in case you're thinking about ordering one, when I ordered mine, there wasn't one out there showing every page, and I kind of wanted to know what it was all about before I bought it, but there wasn't one when I bought mine, so I did mine. And now I don't know if there is one of the whole flip through of this whole book, but I'm going to flip through it for you real quick. But this is the front and the back, because usually when you buy one, all they show you is this. Or sometimes they don't even show you that. Maybe they show you this if they don't have the dust cover. So this is the dust cover. This is what the inside of this book looks like, just plain. And I'm sure the back looks like that too, just plain. But let's get into it and see. I'm holding it like this so you don't get glare. But here's the back. The dust cover is pretty on the back too. So as we open up, I kind of brought you in a little close so that you could hopefully see well. But, we're just going to do a little flip through. Like I said, I've only seen a few pages online, but not the whole thing. So let's see what it's all about together here. And I'll try not to talk too much so you can just see. You can just see the pretty pages. But this is very, like the other book, that type of thing is in any other book that we all like and love and buy and use in our junk journals. And this one's called The Country Diary Nature Notes by Edith Holden, and it has / Alan C. Jenkins. So let's just see. Copyright on this one is 1984. So here you see you have a beautiful bird. And I'm just going to flip so this doesn't take too long. You see, this is very typical of the other one, this pretty January. So it looks like maybe we do have months. So each page may begin with a month. Here I've got some writing in mine. I didn't know that. See, I haven't looked. I just got it. But I'll do a flip through just like the other one, so we'll see. This one was actually used by someone, and this person has very nice handwriting, so I don't mind that at all. So you can see you have lined 1 through 7 and the word January and something just text. So we're going by date, 1 through 7, 8 through 14. I do like this I thought this would be neat for junk journals also, because you have lines to write on when you put a page in your junk journal. You can use that for journaling. And then you can use this as a background if you want. Let me take a sip of my coffee while I'm flipping. So it's got pretty decorations around the lined pages, and then the text is pretty plain, but we love that. I love the color of the font, and the font, it's very similar to the one we usually buy. The Edith Holden book we usually buy. So here's February, so it goes up to 31. Then it has notes and some lines, and then February, the next month, starts with a beautiful page. Now here, this one has an extra picture here. I don't think January had that, did it? And then we get into March. February even has a 29, which would be for a leap year. So, and then a beautiful March page. Love the flowers here around this page. So each one is decorated different around whatever's around the lines. Then we get into a beautiful April page. So yeah, I thought this would be fun to get because that's what I did see, just the lined pages. That I thought, well, that would be neat. You know, we don't have to have every page so decorated, right? We can have some, you know, it'd be neat to have some lines. This is April. May, and a beautiful beginning page. So these are flowers, have more color here. Those are pretty for May. So if you were thinking about ordering this and you didn't know because you didn't know what it looked like, here you go. June, pretty little birds here. Some butterflies on the flowers in this June June section. Oh, look at July. July is beautiful. Got a dragonfly here. So yeah, this is my first one of the nature notes. Got some, I see, they almost look like a bee, but those are flowers. August. Neat, has some beautiful trees here. I love this one. I wouldn't mind buying more than one of these. If I, you know, I can see myself using every one of these pages. We're going through August. And then September with some more beautiful birds. Changing into fall. Oh, aren't these beautiful? Look like cherries. It says fruit of wild golder rose or gilder rose, something like that. Very pretty. I like that. Yeah, these types of pages can be used in any vintage journal, any botanical. But I could see this page right here used in a cookbook journal. That just looks so pretty. It just almost looks like it belongs in it to me because you know, I love cookbook journals. I could just really picture that in a cookbook journal. There's some more beautiful birds here. October. Oh, we're getting into some pine branches here. Looks like. It looks like a type of pine anyway. October. So I hope this helps someone out there who's thinking about possibly buying this and you've been wondering what it really looks like and what it's all about. Oh, here's a beautiful bird. I use this one on the front. Not this from this book or anything, another Edith Holden book, but this same bird I used on the front of my one of my most recent journals. So nice to see another one of him. And here we've got a very fall looking with these dried looking herbs or something here. It almost looks like a weed, but it's very beautiful. For November. Very, very nice. I really like it. Oh, look at this one. Got a little homemade bird feeder here for December. Some beautiful birds all around. And some holly berries, it looks like. Very pretty. Can go in any journal, but a Christmas journal included. So I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed looking through it with you. I've got a bird here in the middle of December. That's neat. That's a little different than the other months. So there you go. Just a quick little flip through. If you have any questions, I'll be glad to answer. I don't see, it's pretty self-explanatory. Here's the spine. Let me show you real quick. It's got a small spine. That's under an inch, I would say. So this one I think is a little bit thinner than the regular, and I'm going to say regular one that we buy, Edith Holden book, but still very beautiful. So if you're looking for some Edith Holden with lines, there you go. You've got lines and text, and then, on one side lines, on the other side text. So very beautiful pages to use in our junk journals. Thanks for watching today, everybody. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Happy crafting.